How has Andersen contributed to the landscape of tax administration in Nigeria? And can you elaborate on the strategies and mechanisms employed?
I think the first way we have done that is to actually make sure that our clients comply with the relevant provisions of the tax laws. I mean, if the clients understand the tax laws and they comply with it, it's easier for the tax authorities to administer. The other thing we do is to stay close to the to the legislatures, the tax authority, and all relevant stakeholders, so that we understand their thoughts in respect of tax reforms, and then we're able to contribute our views, so that whatever changes they want to make to the tax laws, I mean, they can take into consideration our own views on those changes and makes it easier for taxpayers to comply. So I think in those two ways, we'll be able to contribute our own quota with respect to tax reforms and administration.
That's good to know. In the context of navigating gray areas within Nigerian tax laws, how does Andersen approach providing clarity and guidance to its clients while ensuring adherence to the legal framework?
Yeah, there will always be gray areas in the tax laws. That's fundamental. But what we do for our clients is to explain our own understanding of the provision of the tax laws and what the drafters of the law, what their intention was at the time of drafting the laws. And then we then ask our clients, to maybe ask or seek for a private ruling with the tax authority to understand their own views on those gray areas. Sometimes our views and the tax authority's views are maybe in conflict. In that instance, we advise our clients to probably seek judicial interpretation of those areas.
What is Andersen's stance on tax avoidance, and how does it uphold ethical standards?
Okay, tax avoidance is not illegal. It's a legal way of reducing your taxes. I think the reason why most people frown at it is because of the ethical issues surrounding it. For instance, if you and I are paying taxes and you hear that a billionaire somewhere is not paying any tax at all because of a tax haven or some restructuring that he has done, you will feel that you are contributing your own quota, and somebody that earns much more than you do is not doing anything at all. So people usually frown against such aggressive tax planning that are done by some taxpayers, but it's not illegal.